Hello all, this is Loner 420. Peace all from Loner 420 house. Sorry I haven't been on for a while. It's been a little lonely without my walking partner Dingus. I've been missing him, so yeah, I'm feeling better now. And I'm about to have my 420 honey oil toast. So again, happy 420 all. Yeah, I'll make a point of being on a regular basis now. Just trying to regroup with everything. Have no license, right? No car license. I was offered a scooter from my mechanic, and all I had to do was buy a battery. So he hooked me up with his battery guy, and apparently it was a wrong battery. I almost poisoned myself with battery acid. Almost blew myself up because I was charging the battery here for 10 hours and didn't realize what was going on and all kinds of stuff. But everything's okay though. Yep. Alright. Happy 420 y'all. Yeah. Hoping everybody's having an awesome day. Tuesday, November 10th. Peace all.